In this tutorial, we will learn how to hide your phone number with just a few simple steps. If you're an active Telegram user, especially in group chats, you might want to hide your phone number from others in the group. Unlike WhatsApp, which doesn't offer this feature, Telegram does. To hide your phone number on Telegram, follow these steps. Open the Telegram app. Inside Telegram, when you're in a chat or group, you'll notice that you can see the usernames of other users, but not their phone numbers. Telegram allows you to keep your number hidden. To set this up, go to the homepage and then tap on the Settings icon at the bottom right. In the Settings menu, go to Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, tap Phone Number. Here, you can choose who can see your phone number: My Contacts, Nobody, or Everyone. If you select My Contacts, only people in your contact list will see your phone number. If you choose Nobody, nobody will be able to view your phone number. If you leave it as Everyone, your phone number will be visible to the public. So we'll choose Nobody. That's it. Now your phone number will be hidden according to your preference, even in Telegram groups. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.